Hi guys, as many of you know, I work in the home shopping industry, so I come across all kinds of exciting as seen on TV products. Now my favorite products, those I add to my show, Oksana's Vault, which you can see on YouTube, and it's now available on some local European channels and hopefully soon in Latin America, fingers crossed. And one of the products that I've been seeing a lot lately on home shopping channels is hair extensions and hair clip-ins. So I ordered myself a dirty blonde hair clip, that is. That's my hair color. I do think that this is a little bit lighter though, like I haven't tried it out before, but if you look at it, I do think it's a little bit lighter. Anyways, we'll try it out to see how easy it is to use. It should be super easy because it has this clip that you can see right there. So you just need to clip it in, and the first thing you need to do is tie up your hair, and then you get this long ponytail, which is supposed to give you lots of volume and make your hair look fabulous. So let me try it out. I'm gonna use my Tangle Teezer brush. This I would totally include on Oksana's Vault, but you can also buy it pretty much anywhere. So yeah, like not much point in doing that. I also think I should get myself a mirror. And I'm down to my very last hair tie. I have no idea where my hair ties go. Like they disappear overnight. Like I have a hair tie monster. Maybe it's Coco. Like when I sleep, she like steals all my hair ties. Maybe. Anyways, so let me tie up my hair right there. Just fix it up a little bit with the Tangle Teezer brush. Smooths everything out so nicely. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna turn a little bit so you guys can see the profile, because that's how we're going to clip it in. So there we go. I don't know how my hair looks. Should have done this with a mirror. That could have been a really good idea. Okay, so I'm going to take this hair tie. How can I show you? This hair clip. I'm going to open it and just to clip it right in. So let's try that out. And like this. That should be okay. All right. It does pull a little bit, but what do you guys think? Looks kind of cute. I think it would definitely look better if it was in my actual hair color. What do you think? Yes, no, yes, no. Should we add this to Oksana's Vault? I feel like choosing the right hair color will be such a challenge. I kind of would like it to stay up here, but it does not do that. I don't know if that's just my hair or if everyone has this problem, because that's like an issue I always have. What do you guys think? Should we add this to Oksana's Vault or not?